If you're a founder, you already understand the importance of content creation. It can drive your brand, it drives your pipeline, and pretty much anything. In the world of social media, content creation is important for any business and specifically for founders today. I was also struggling with consistency, quality, and all these kind of challenges everybody does, right? So last 12 months I focused on how can I create an engine that helps me drive the content and inspired from my daily life, and it should not be something that is redundant, monotonous, and some random copy paste, but it should be something that inspires me and regularly follows from a daily life. So let me walk you through the engine that I have created. I have built this AI agentic system using n8n. We have built 3 AI agents starting from ideation to content creation to feedback. Let me walk you through each of them step by step.
The AI agent that I have built is content idea generation. The most important in the world of content is ideas, right? So ideas should be personalized to me. It should be inspired by what I do, what I'm passionate about. So what it does is this AI agent goes to the brand brief AI agent, which pulls in the brand brief, and brand brief is nothing, just a document where I've mentioned that what I do, what I speak for. Like I'm pretty big on AI and tech architecture. Salesforce, I talk a lot about Salesforce. I talk a lot about AI systems and that thing, and how can you scale AI system, LLMs, and those kind of things. So you can create these docs. Like I have also given some certain instructions, what should be the mix of the formats I need, and some non-negotiable rules and those kind of things. So moving back to the content idea generator, what it does is pulls in the brand brief, and then there's a simple LLM, and we have added a system prompt which pulls in the brand brief, and basis which it produces one personal story or one kind of content idea. That's it. That's all what this AI agent does. Now moving on to the next one, which is content creator. So the content creator is the one that we actually run, so it is connected to all these other AI agents that we have built. The content creator goes to the content idea agent. It pulls in all the ideas. Currently it is configured to produce one idea, but you can have as many as ideas you want, right? And the most important thing is you need to update the brand brief constantly. So like I update my brand brief pretty much every 2-3 days of what I did in previous days and those kind of things. So the content is really alive and fresh. Then it goes there and speaks to the AI agent. Now this AI LLM is kind of trained on certain steps. Let me walk you through. So it's like you are a helpful content creator for Sanjeev's personal brand, and follow the brand guidelines along with the idea that is given. And then we have another third AI agent, that is a feedback AI agent. So the content feedback tool needs to be used, and then this content feedback tool gives you a rating. So basis the brand guidelines, it gives a rating out of 1. If the rating is more than 0.8, then only proceed with this content. Otherwise, keep on self-improving it until unless you reach that stage where the marks or number, whatever you call it, the ranking out of 1 is more than 0.8. And then this AI agent is attached to multiple other agents, like the content feedback agent. It is attached to brand brief agent, so it can also pull in the brand and all those kind. Then I've connected to OpenAI using API, so it actually uses the LLM as OpenAI. Once all this is done, it pushes the content to this Google Sheet. I'll show you how it works, but before that, let me move on to the feedback agent. So this is a simple feedback agent. What it does is it again fetches the brand brief. Brand brief is really important because that is the core, right? And then this AI agent is kind of trained on to evaluate each piece of the content written by the previous agent for Sanjeev Mahajan, and who is Sanjeev Mahajan and those kind of things. And then it also analyzes each post certain criterias, and basis that it gives a ranking. So this is the prompt. I can share the prompt, just comment on the post, and I can share the prompt for you. Once this is done, this gets approved. Then it sends a signal back to the content creator agent, and then once it is approved, it publishes simply to a Google Sheet. You can create a system, you can integrate it to wherever you want, and any of those kind of things. I've also created a system. This is like the first layer I'm demoing because it is something that everybody can kind of build through, but you can also build it even more robust. So let me show you a quick example. So I've clicked on text workflow. It will run the entire workflow and it will push in the data to this particular sheet, which is like currently blank. Let's see what it does. It might take a few seconds for it to run because it goes into a constant feedback loop. Like you can see, the brand brief has been picked up. It is generating the content. It will now call the content feedback agent for review. So that's already done, and then everything is sorted. It again calls the content feedback agent, updates the Google sheet and those kind of things. So let's go to the Google sheet and see. Yeah, there you go. So it talks about architecture that pays off. It talks about show how early architecture thinking changes outcomes. And I talk a lot about that architecture is the core. So architecture needs to be really important, and then you need to follow other technical aspects. And then the second is problem solving. And also, so this is basically based on my brand brief. You can tweak around a bit if you want, and then you can, your content is kind of 80-90% ready. So you can also start building these agents that help you in your day-to-day lives and make your life really easy, because in the world where we have a leverage, we should definitely use it. And this is something I started building a few months ago. So yeah, do comment what you think about it, and I'll also keep on showing more AI use cases that we personally use internally.